If you're seeing the Google Drive error that says exceeded sharing quota, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means and how to fix it step by step. This is a super common issue when you've shared too many files, folders, or links in a short amount of time, and Google temporarily stops more sharing actions to protect your account. The good news is that in most cases, this is not a permanent problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's jump in. First, the simplest fix is to stop sending more share requests and wait. If you've been inviting a lot of people to a file or folder, Google may have placed a temporary limit on sharing activity. In many cases, this resets automatically after several hours, and sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. So if the error just appeared, the best thing you can do is pause, wait a little while, and try again later, instead of repeatedly clicking share over and over. Next, if you need to get the file to other people quickly, use a link instead of sending individual invitations. To do that, right-click the file or folder in Google Drive and click Get Link. Then look under General Access. Change the setting to Anyone with the link. After that, copy the link and share it wherever you need. This is often the fastest workaround because you avoid triggering more individual sharing requests, and it can help reduce the chance of running into the quota again. Now let's go over another important step: removing unnecessary permissions. If the file has already been shared with a lot of people, open the share settings and review everyone who has access. Remove any old users, inactive collaborators, or people who no longer need the file. Too many permissions can contribute to sharing limits, so cleaning up access can help keep things organized and reduce future issues. You should also avoid rapid repeated sharing. Google can sometimes interpret a large burst of sharing activity as suspicious behavior. That means if you keep adding people quickly, changing permissions again and again, or sending a lot of invitations in a short time, the system may block you temporarily. So if possible, spread out your sharing actions and make changes more slowly. If you're using a Google Workspace account for school or work, there may be admin restrictions in place. In that case, the issue may not be your personal Drive settings at all. Your organization might have sharing limits turned on, which means you may need approval from an administrator before you can share more broadly. If that applies to you, contact your IT admin or Workspace manager and ask whether there are any sharing restrictions on your account. And if the problem still isn't going away, try another browser or another Google account. Sometimes a browser session issue, cached data, or a temporary sign-in problem can interfere with sharing actions. Opening Google Drive in incognito mode can help test whether the browser is causing the issue. You can also try signing in with a different Google account if that's an option for you, just to see whether the error is tied to one specific account. So, to recap, the best ways to fix exceeded sharing quota in Google Drive are to wait for the quota to reset, use anyone with the link instead of lots of individual invites, remove unneeded permissions, avoid rapid repeated sharing, check for workspace limits, and try a different browser or account if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back to sharing normally. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tutorials and fast troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.